So you can't hear alerts because you're using your PC to stream your PlayStation where you're hearing all the sound from your controller. How do we fix this? This is a question I was trying to figure out for a long time. I never found the answer until now. I stream sometimes from my PC or my PlayStation, but when I play on my PlayStation, I connect directly from my controller to my Elgato, meaning I can't hear any of the stream sound alerts people are sending in, and you know, it kind of kills the vibe. If that's why you're here, I'm here to give you the remedy. It took me a while to figure this out because I felt like there's no video on YouTube that explains how to do it properly. But I think I figured it out, so let's go. What you want to do is you have your audio mixer here, right? So let's say you already have, here's my microphone, here's my HD 60 Elgato, whatever, right? What you want to do is you want to go to your settings, which is here, right? You see this? Click the settings. And what you're going to see more than this maybe. You're going to see HD 60 capture and HD 60 sound. In this case, because of the source I'm using, I've got HD 60 sound right there. You want to look for this one, sound, and you want to put it on monitor only, mute output. Then with your desktop audio, you want to monitor and output. Instead of plugging your headphones into the controller or into the split wire, if that's what you have, the Elgato split wire, you can plug it straight into your PC and you can hear the output straight from OBS. I was worried there was going to be like a little bit of latency, like it's a bit like not in sync, but it turns out it works well. So if your connection's good, I guess, I don't even know if it matters if the connection's good or not, but that's what worked for me. The only thing you have to do is you probably have to adjust whatever sound sliders, and if you do stream games off the PC every so often, you might have to change the, you know, how loud you have it every so often. Because as I streamed a PlayStation game, I changed the sound to make it louder, but then when I switched to a PC game, I had to quieten the game because I made it quite loud. But there's probably other ways to do it, but this is the way that's worked for me. So monitor only on HD 60 sound, mute output, and on desktop audio, monitor and output. The reason I say desktop as well is because you don't want double sound coming through. My worry is that the Elgato sound was going to come through and the desktop sound was going to come through. But what you want is just the desktop sound coming through, and then you want the HD 60 coming through, just not coming through the desktop. You just want it to come through OBS, which will be picked up by OBS, then go into the desktop, and that's it. So I might be incorrect with how I've said that, but trust me, it works. This is how it goes. If that's helped, let me know. Leave a comment down below, leave a like. Check out my socials. I stream every so often. It's been Heize. Thank you for stopping by.